What's going on YouTube? Me, Raul in Thailand, back at you with another video. Today's video is going to be on the subject of obtaining a bank account in Thailand when you're a foreigner. Some of y'all might be asking, well, why would you need that? Why would you want to do that? Well, according to certain visa types, it's required for you to have a Thai bank account with a certain amount of money in that bank account for a certain amount of time before you can qualify for the visa. Now, a lot of people aren't here on a work visa, and most banks require you to have a work permit for a bank account here in Thailand. A lot of us don't have work permits because we're not here on a work visa, and it's from what I hear, it's can be difficult obtaining a work permit here in Thailand. But there's good news to that. There are some banks that will let you open an account without a work permit. There's really only one that I know of, because once I found this one, I stopped looking. But it's a bank that I went with, and this bank has a branch in America, in New York City. So I think that's why they're a little bit more helpful. It's still early in the morning. This bank is called it's called Bangkok Bank. I went to several other banks prior to stopping there, and they told me that I needed a work permit, so I couldn't open an account there. But Bangkok Bank will allow you to open a savings account. What you're gonna need when you go there is you're gonna need your passport and your visa. I went with my wife, so she helped me sign some papers and get some information down. Yeah, and that's pretty much all I needed. I did have to pay a 500 baht fee for the actual debit card, and at the time they ran a promotion. They had two different options. One debit card was more expensive, but it came with a free soccer jersey. I didn't want that. I went with the standard one, and that one actually comes on the promotion with a insurance policy, where if I have an accident in Thailand, it will cover me up to a certain amount of money. It's not very much, but it still helps. So that's the one I went with. Be prepared to be there for a long time, because the paperwork, the computer work that they have to do to open the account is very long. Now, I know in America, some banks offer little bank books to keep your banking information updated, and so you can keep a record. I know a lot of us in America don't even use that anymore. But here in Thailand, it's very important. If you ever have to go to the bank to handle anything, make sure you bring your passport, your bank card, and your bank book, because they won't even help you if you don't have that bank book. And if you lose it, they told me I needed, if I lost it, because I asked, they said I needed to go to the police station and file a police report. That's how serious they take that bank book. So yeah, you can go there, open your account, deposit your funds. I know Bangkok Bank, because they have a branch in America, if you're an American. If you're not, I'm sorry, I don't have much information for your country. But from my understanding is you can actually deposit funds, transfer them from your American bank into their Bangkok bank branch in America, and the transfer rate is is good and it's fast, and it's they don't charge you that much at all. So I heard it's a really cheap option to use. They have mobile banking here. It's a lot of like your online shopping you can do with your mobile banking. It was a little confusing at first, but I figured it out. It's not that hard. Also, my advice to you is that if you get your bank card, just be careful with that chip, because the first month I had it, I used that card one time at their ATM, and after that, it never worked. I had to go get it replaced for 100 baht. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I have for us today. If you have any questions about it, or any other questions about paperwork, anything that you might want me to talk about, feel free to leave a comment, like, subscribe to the channel. It helps definitely. And I'll see y'all next time. Take care.